Hi, good morning, dear customers. We have noticed the recent increase in freight rates, causing some inconvenience for you. The fluctuation in global supply chain have led to higher shipping costs, directly impacting the price of our product. Some shipping companies have also announced hikes in airline freight rates. We would like to clarify that as a manufacturer, we are not making extra profit from this increased rate. Our price adjustments are solely on cover production costs and maintain service quality. We understand the challenges this rising rate holds for your business, and we are actively seeking solutions to alleviate cost pressures. As your partner, we aim to work together with you to navigate the market challenges and find the best strategies to cope. We encourage you to plan your orders in advance so we can arrange production and transportation more efficiently, minimizing the impact of cost fluctuations. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation.